Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the source account. On your Android device, open Bgmi and make sure you're signed into the Google Play account that holds your progress. Once done, create or verify a Crafton ID and confirm the linked email so you can move data securely. Make sure the Bgmi app is installed on the iPhone. You'll use this iOS client to accept the migrated profile, so don't skip installing it before you continue. On Android, go to Bgmi settings, choose Link Account and pick Google Play as the source. Then select Link to Crafton ID and sign in with the same Crafton credentials you set up earlier. You may need to enter an email verification code or in-app confirmation. Complete those prompts. This step moves your player ID and inventory into the Crafton system so the iPhone client can fetch it. Make sure the link reports success before switching devices. Now, on your iPhone, launch Bgmi and choose Sign In with Crafton ID. Use the same credentials you linked on Android. When prompted, accept the restore of your profile and wait for Cloud Sync to populate rank, inventory, and stats. After sync, verify key items and settings, then adjust controls and sensitivity for iOS. If data doesn't appear, make sure both devices use the same region and account, retry linking. And as a fallback,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.